What's good, y'all? It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness, and I'm back at it again with another video for the channel. So, I'm on my break. Yes, I'm at work. This video, as y'all can see from my thumbnail, and y'all can see from the title of the video, Escape the Rat Race. Now, what is the rat race, bro? The rat race is constantly selling a lot of your time for money, for a little bit of money. And y'all can see from my previous videos, I've been talking a lot about these low wages, right? And it's been making me very, very frustrated because I know that number one, I am way better than this. Number two, I know that it's all by design. It is by design to keep you coming back to the job. It is by design to keep you in survival mode and to keep you on the hamster wheel. I share these messages with y'all because I want y'all to know the truth. Now, some people could try to sugarcoat it. Some people could try to deny the truth all you want, but I'm gonna tell y'all the real. The real is, corporations don't care about none of us. Your purpose comes first, right? And in order for you to get ahead, you got to own assets. Now, I was just watching a video, right? And it's from this Asian guy. Some of y'all probably seen it. The title of the video is "If Money is Infinite, then why does poverty exist, or why are people in poverty?" Something like that. And he's teaching the classroom, and he's talking about it. And I tell you this often that a lot of us have been conditioned, programmed to think in a scarcity way. If money itself is infinite, then why do we think in scarce? Right? They print money, but we work for it. They print the money faster than you can earn it. When I tell you that the system is not meant for you to get ahead, I'm speaking the facts because they print the money out of thin air. We spend valuable time working for it, and we're tearing down our body. And subconsciously, you're not really knowing your worth. Now, one of my big goals is, yes, to make it on YouTube because YouTube doesn't have a capped income. Yeah, you got to reach a threshold every month, but who cares? There's no cap on the amount of money that you can make. I do want to continuously talk to more people about investing into the stock market, financial literacy, the importance of owning assets, owning real estate, and not only trading just time for money. $20 an hour is nothing. If you look at things on a bigger scale, if money is infinite and you're getting paid low wages, you are believing that your worth is low. But the truth is, we are worthy of anything that we desire, right? The truth is, you determine your worth. The job doesn't determine your worth. The job just wants to. The job whole purpose is to make profits, and it just want people that's going to help the company make profits. Your job is to take care of yourself, right? Money itself is a tool, but we cannot constantly trade time for money and think that we're going to get ahead because it's not going to happen. So what do? Like I said, once again, you have to be more financially literate. You have to understand that the more assets you own, the richer you will get over time, right? The better of a steward you are with your money, the more that things start to make sense. And you have to detach from the scarcity mentality. Now, I'm not telling y'all this just to say things, just to sound good, just sound like I know it all. Nah, because I tell myself this every day, bro. There's no scarcity of food. There's no scarcity of land. There's no scarcity of money. Scarcity has been programmed into everybody. Majority of people are afraid to fail, right? You're afraid to fail because you think, because like in school, you think that you're gonna get judged, you're gonna get graded for failing. No, bro. In life, when you fail, that is how you learn. Point blank period. The people that get rich and wealthy are the people that own things. They own their time. They know how money works. They're not stressing over money all the time, 24/7. Now I'm not trying to sit there and make it seem as if rich and wealthy people don't have problems. Nah, everybody had problems. You know, I say all that to say, in order to escape the rat race, you got to think differently. You cannot save your way to getting wealthy. If you're only strictly focused on saving money, and that's it. I'm not talking about investing. I'm not talking about owning real estate. I'm talking about just saving your money. The money is losing its value due to inflation. If you strictly think like an employee, you're thinking about living paycheck to paycheck. If you think like a owner, you are teaching yourself that as long as I own assets, as long as I put my money into something that's gonna bring it a return, my money will work harder for me than I ever will. Right? Now the reason why I've been talking about money a lot on this channel is because I wanna continuously help the people out that need these messages, bro. Right? Because a lot of us wasn't taught this. I tell you this all the time. A lot of us wasn't taught how it works. We just taught work a job, make money. Work a 9 to 5, make money. That's what we're taught, right? But we're not really taught how money works. You know what I'm saying? So the more that we teach ourselves how money works, right? Yeah, watch the people around here. Real talk. The more that we teach ourselves how money works, we reprogram our mind, take back our power. We stop thinking like an hourly wage slave, because that's really what it is. The more money you put into assets, the further ahead you will get in due time. Now, does it take a while to build up the capital? Yes. That's why I'm constantly working on this YouTube channel, because this is my calling. This is my business, right? You understand what I'm saying? I enjoy making these videos for y'all. It's not just for me, it's for the people, you know? And then, of course, me being on retention, having my energy, that helps me out. Real talk. But the whole point is to escape the rat race. Think bigger. Understand that you're worth way more than what these jobs will ever pay you. The job will never pay you your true worth, because the whole purpose is to keep you trapped, right? But if you think outside the box, you'll get ahead.